Baruchim Aboim, welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague. This week's Parshas Mattos Masei. In Parshas Mattos, in the book of Numbers, chapter 30, verse 3, we read, Ish ki yador neder l'Hashem, vayishva shva'ales ha'isar al nafsho l'chel devaroi kechol hayotze mipivi aseh. When a man voweth a vow unto the Lord, or sweareth an oath to bind his soul with a bond, he shall not break his word, he shall do according to all that proceedeth out of his mouth. This, he shall not break his word, is more like he should not empty his word. So let's see what Rashi says. Li'yochel dvarei k'mo li'yechalel dvarei. He should not make his word empty or profane. Li'yaseh dvarei chulin. Or he should not make his words secular, meaning that he should not just take his words for granted, but he should consider his word to be his sacred bond and his honor. The Heilige Zayda, the Maharal in Prague, explains, when it says liyochel is like lo yechalel, that he shouldn't make his words chulin, he shouldn't make them secularized or profane. That when the word yochel is related to the word chalal, which is the second vav, the second lamed kind of fell off. That we find that when it comes to verbs, that a doubled up letter could be lost. So what does it mean, lo yaseh dvar chulin, that his words should not be secularized or profaned? That just like people are not careful to keep things that are secular or profane, meaning when it comes to holy meat that was used in the sacrifices, that's kept very carefully, whereas just regular secular, non-sacred meat is not, that you're not careful to keep it, so too with this. Meaning that someone who's not careful with his words, it's a similar type of thing, that if he violates his words, he's not careful to keep them. And so we have to be careful to keep our word in all accounts, even when it's not a vow or an oath. Still, nonetheless, we have to keep our word. And then, like we said from the Kedushas Levi, if we keep our word and we don't make our words empty, then we can manifest whatever we need. That's a deeper message as well, somewhat related. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. We'll see you later. Shabbos.